What's going on, guys? It's Nate down here at Mark Jacobson Toyota in Durham, right off of 15501. Today I got something a little bit different for you guys. I won't be doing a walk around of the vehicle, but instead I'll be focusing on just this one feature. It is Toyota Touch Keypad Entry System. It's a very nice feature, and today I'll be showing you how to use, set, and reset it. Just for reference, we are going to be using the RAV4 Limited trim, the 2021. Just as the vehicle of choice today. I could go on and on about the features of this vehicle, but today I'm just going to focus on the keypad system. Get you a quick shot of the back. This is where the only button on the entire thing is for resetting and setting passwords. It's very simple. Not sure if you can see it on camera, but it is right here. All you have to do to set the password, very easy. I'll click it one time, that's all. Now I'll come around to the outside. The vehicle is unlocked. Here we go. I'm gonna set it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just for the sake of the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, it flashes 3 times, letting you know, Nate, I got the password. I'm in here, I'm ready to be used. Awesome, so here we go. I'll show you how to lock it. The door is unlocked, like I said. All I have to do is tap these 2 buttons, boom, and it's locked. So as you can see, the vehicle is locked. So now to unlock the vehicle, as you could probably guess, all I have to do is type in my password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the vehicle is unlocked. You can hear the clicking in person. Not sure if y'all can hear it over there. So that is how you unlock and lock the vehicle as well as set it. Now you may be asking, how do I reset it? What if I want to change the password? Well, it's also very simple. All you have to do, I'll give you a quick shot right here of the keypad while I do this. I'll just hold this one single button on the back, the one I showed you a second ago, for about 10 to 13 seconds. I've just clicked it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's done. It's completely reset. It'll blink 3 times letting me know I don't have a password in me. I'm not gonna lock the vehicle up. And that is basically all you need to know about the touch keypad system. Very easy to use. This isn't a long video. If you have any questions, just check the description. My phone number is there. You can reach me directly. And if you like the video or if I helped you out today, remember to leave a like. It really helps us out down here at Mark Jacobson, and come on in to test drive the RAV4 Limited if you're interested in trying out this feature. Again, my name's Nate, and I hope you all have an amazing day.